Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to solve the error status 405 error method not allowed. So we will be getting this error when we try to send a particular request from our Postman in REST API. So the reason why we are getting this error is because we have given the wrong operation in our Postman. So in my case, here you can see I'm trying to hit the delete path, but I have given the put operation over here. And same applies for the other case also. Here I'm trying to update, but I have given the get operation. And in my code for delete I'm using the delete mapping, and for update I'm using the put mapping. So that's the reason why we are getting this error. So just change this to the corresponding operation that you're trying to do. So I'll just change it to put, send it, no errors this time, status is 200. Here also I'll change this to delete, send it, no errors, and status is 200. So this is one solution, and even after doing this, if you're getting this error, make sure that you are trying to correct the context type that you have specified in your REST API. So I guess you'll be putting here only text. Try adding their application JSON. Okay. So I hope you have found this video useful, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Run a lot of CRUD operations in Spring Boot, Node.js in MySQL, MongoDB, PostgreSQL databases, as well as AI APIs and tools. So check the playlist, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.